Let's have a quick conversation about how to sell via shoppable videos. I first want to explain to you what a shoppable video is. I mean, in this economy, every opportunity that you have as an e-commerce store owner to actually sell, you want to grab that opportunity. Okay, so whether you're a marketer, whether you are an online store owner, or whether you are just someone who wants to sell through shoppable videos, this is actually the video that I want you to really watch from A to Z. Okay, one thing, one thing for sure. Let me first define for you what shoppable videos are because they are really revolutionary. Okay, so shoppable videos are interactive videos with embedded product links. Okay, because what happens here is that normally when you watch a video, you're just watching a video for entertainment, for education, or for information, right? Shoppable videos really go further. They have interactive, they have embedded product links, and those videos feature pop-up product tags that appear during video play, which really indicate that the content is really interactive, okay? And the cool thing is that viewers can actually click on those tags to add products to an online shopping cart, and shoppable videos appear on e-commerce websites as well as on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, okay? So videos, there are really they really have shoppable links. They actually do a couple of things. They provide customers with a seamless shopping experience. They add value to customers' lives, okay, and they actually boost the store's revenue, which is really great. Buyers can purchase items without needing to navigate away from the video content and actually search for product themselves. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And so you can have videos like shoppable videos on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. Okay, for instance, on Instagram, approved Instagram accounts can use Instagram's native tools to tap up to actually tag up to 5 products in videos, and creators can share shoppable Instagram videos in their organic video feeds, and or they can even run them as paid advertisements. So that's really fantastic from a scalability point of view. Let me talk to you about the types of shoppable videos you want to really think about this year, because you have a lot of them. Okay, you have a product demonstration, you have unboxing videos, you have comparison videos, you have tips and tricks, among others. Okay, so when I speak about product demonstration, those demos are really great because they help viewers understand your product's appeal by actually showcasing how it performs. Let me give an example. You might showcase the different settings on a vacuum cleaner to really to really showcase how the vacuum cleaner works. Okay, unboxing videos are pretty good too. They're pretty good too because they tap into the excitement of receiving a new product, right? They often include commentary describing the products alongside first impressions, and you want to have that too. First impressions are always the best. Okay, if the consumer is happy about your product at first glance, that's what you want. That impression is going to linger for a long time. Okay, you also have comparison videos. So comparison videos discuss the similarities and differences, like the pros and cons between two or more products. And these videos might compare, let's say, similar products from competing companies or even different items from the same brand. So the choice is really the choice is flexible there. You also have tips and tricks. So tips and tricks videos provide viewers with instructional context about a product, showing social media users a product's real life applications, and that's what you want. You want to really showcase the real life applications, not about just theory, right? No, you want to talk about something tangible. And so tips and tricks actually the category includes recipe videos from cooking brands or makeup tutorials from beauty brands. So that's a really and then you have a captive audience who's willing to actually watch the video and most importantly apply the tips and tricks that the video is purportedly actually sharing. So that's really fantastic. It really it works a lot, especially when it comes to triggering let's say purchases. That's what you want in a shoppable video. Now, besides product demos, unboxing videos, comparison videos, tips and tricks, you also have reviews, brand stories, and also live videos, completing, if you will, the list of shoppable videos this year. I mean, in this economy with AI really going places, I wouldn't be surprised that you have more shoppable video types on the market pretty soon. Okay, because the whole thing is that as long as customers want it, you can bet there will be someone, there will be an entrepreneur, there will be a business, there will be a brand actually creating the exact video type that the consumers want. Okay, so what about reviews here? Well, review videos provide a fair, objective assessment of a product's quality, and influencers or unaffiliated third-party creators often create these types of videos. And on my channel, I create a lot of videos, a lot of review videos, a lot of how-to, so tips and tricks, a lot of comparison videos too. Okay, what about brand stories? Well, storytelling, those videos give viewers insight into the people or processes behind your product. And this category includes content like founder interviews and behind the scenes looks at how a product is made in the first place. And if you happen to have a very successful product, if you happen to have a very popular product, let's say the iPhone, for instance, then people are interested in hearing the brand stories, actually. You also have live videos. So live streams help video publishers connect with their audience in real time. Okay. So businesses can host actually a live stream shopping events on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Amazon. So that's really good. And this actually creates a closer relationship with viewers, a better like a better level of interaction with potential customers. So that's really good. And live videos also really tell you whether or not demand for your product is actually up or actually low. Okay, because based on the number of folks who are tuning in, you can tell whether or not the product is actually exciting or not. Okay. Now, let me explain to you how shoppable videos can impact your e-commerce business. If you are an online store seller, an online store owner, and you're trying to really see how to really boost your revenue, I want you to really consider a shoppable video big time, because shoppable videos can actually 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, or even 10x your e-commerce business revenue big time, because you're able to drive online conversions. You can enhance product discoverability. You can also collect data. That's really important. Collecting data is kind of critical, especially if you are in a very competitive niche that's actually constantly going places. Like, the niche is very agile because you have a young and captive audience that really changes his or her, that changes their preferences all the time. So when I speak about data collection, data generated by shoppable video content can actually help you refine your marketing strategies. You can track marketing metrics, including watch time, engagements, and link clicks. Then you can use this info to identify successful video formats. Okay, let me give an example. If your top performing video on TikTok is a product demo of your company's, let's say, Jade Face Roller, you might decide to produce demos for additional beauty products. What about product discoverability? Well, given the popularity of the video specific app TikTok and the addition of short form video features to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, an increasing number of social media consumers are viewing video content. Okay, and that's kind of cool. And the cool thing is that short form video platforms like Instagram Reels operate with a continuous scroll model. So the platform's algorithm might place your video in front of viewers who did not intentionally click on your content. So that's really cool. So you're talking about discoverability at a very large scale. You also have the ability to drive online conversions. So compelling shoppable videos can showcase your product's appeal and spark consumer desire, which can urge viewers to immediately purchase your products. Okay. Product tags help consumers understand which products are for sale with a single glance, so that's really good. They also actually do something else. They let viewers act on impulse by immediately adding items to an online shopping cart. And this immediacy can prevent actually customers from overthinking their products and also abandoning their carts. So if you think about shoppable videos this year, what are the top shoppable videos? Shop the top. I'll get it. The top shoppable video platforms for posting. So first of all, you have your own e-commerce website, your online store. Okay, don't think you have to post content on somebody else's platform. You can start with your own platform. You have also Instagram shopping, YouTube shopping, TikTok shopping, Amazon Live. Of course, you have LinkedIn shopping. You have Pinterest. But today I want to talk about your e-commerce website. Your e-commerce website first. You can actually post shoppable videos directly to your e-commerce website, allowing viewers to see your products in action and quickly add them to their shopping cart. You can also use this functionality to improve your website's mobile app by making your customers' shopping experience more interactive. You also have another platform to really think about this year, and this is Instagram shopping. I mean, what I love about Instagram is that it's a really visual platform that actually delivers all the time. Okay, delivers in terms of revenue or engagement. When you think about it, Instagram has more than 2 billion monthly active users. 2 billion. YouTube has 2.5. Facebook has 3 billion. And Facebook and Instagram are owned by the same company, Meta. Okay? So think about that. Instagram having 2 billion monthly active users and a whopping 70% of the site's active users use Instagram shopping. So you can use Instagram shopping to post and create both shoppable video content and shoppable photo content. So that's kind of cool. And retailers can actually tag up to 5 products in shoppable Instagram videos. And that's kind of cool because you want to have that flexibility. The platform itself, and that's a good thing that I love about Instagram. The platform itself supports both organic content and paid shoppable video ads. So you are speaking about lots of possibilities to actually reach customers. You also have to think about YouTube shopping. If you're looking for shoppable video platforms for posting, think about YouTube shopping. So you can use YouTube shopping if you are enrolled in the YouTube Partner Program, and you will need to connect an online store to your YouTube account to enable shoppable video features. Okay. So YouTube's shopping features include integrated analytics, so you can easily track the sales performance of the products you tag in shoppable videos. So that's kind of cool. I mean, when you think about YouTube, that's actually one of the OGs when it comes to video platforms. So of course they have a pretty good system for tracking shoppable video performance. You also have a TikTok shopping. So this is one of the rookies, one of the youngsters, one of the growing pairs in this market. So by integrating your store with TikTok shopping, you can easily sell products on the popular video sharing app, but you don't actually need to create a full TikTok shop to post shoppable videos. Okay, so to do so, simply post a video to TikTok as usual, then select add link and link to your product. So that's really cool. You also have to think about Amazon Live. So a lot of people think about Amazon just as a marketplace for sales or for purchases, right? But Amazon has developed really in the last few years, especially during COVID. They spend money, they spend time, they spend resources developing a multimedia platform. So Amazon is free for approved US retailers and influencers with active Amazon stores. Okay, that's what Amazon Live is. Amazon Live is free for approved US retailers and influencers with active Amazon stores. And the cool thing about Amazon Live is that you can do a lot of things. For example, with Amazon Live, If you are a seller, an approved seller, you can live stream shoppable videos directly from Amazon's website. And Amazon rewards successful publishers with prominent video placements that can support product discoverability. Okay, so that's kind of cool from a scalability point of view. So, what are the top shoppable video platforms for creating content? So, although many social media platforms have native tools to help you create platform specific shoppable videos, you can also use a host of external tools to create polished shoppable media. I mean, I suggest you use those third party platforms, okay, because they are more sort of sophisticated, but they're also more bespoke. And this shoppable videos can integrate into your e-commerce site and be used across different social media platforms. Okay. First, we have Queen Live. I want you to see on the screen here, Queen Live. So Queen Live allows you to import videos directly from your social media channels and transform them into a shoppable content, streamlining the video production process. So that's really fantastic. Queen Live is also compatible with Shopify. So merchants can use the tool to integrate shoppable videos into their online store. That's really cool. That's for Queen Live. You also have VideoWise. There's another player. VideoWise is actually a tool that allows users to import content from social media platforms, add shoppable features, and embed videos into their e-commerce website. The sites also offer social listening tools to help you identify user-generated content featuring your products. So, in addition to helping small business owners to monetize their own content, video-wise users can monitor mentions and add shoppable links to creator videos. Finally, you have Comment Sold. So this is another platform that I love a lot, especially a platform that really innovates all the time. So think about Comment Sold as a shoppable video platform that integrates with Shopify and other popular social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And the cool thing about the tool is that it supports video uploading as well as live streaming. It also features a Shopify integration that can help you create a dynamic mobile version of your site, complete with video and streamlining. So um, and live streaming. Okay. So what's the takeaway in today's conversation? I spoke to you about shoppable videos. I defined what shoppable videos are, the types of shoppable videos, how those videos can help you actually help your e-commerce store, the top shoppable video platforms for posting, and the top shoppable video platform for creating content. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.